SilverStone Technology. Welcome to SilverStone's main showroom or meeting room. Over here, we have a chronological order of all the tower cases that we've ever released over the years. So let's take a look at them. First one here, we have the Tenjin TJ01s. They come in two different colors. And we had the TJ02. These cases were released in 2003 and 2004 timeframe, just right after our company was founded. And they are mainly composed of full aluminum front panel with steel chassis. At the time, we were really good at aluminum, but we thought, having steel body as part of the chassis construction could help us lower the cost a little bit compared to full aluminum cases, so we could reach more new customers. Being a new company, that was one of the very tough things to do, to try to break into the market with very expensive cases first. But that doesn't mean we didn't stop making really high-end cases. So over here, you can see this is our first all-aluminum tower case, the TJ03. This case won the selection from Maximum PC Magazine USA as their 2004 Dream Machine. So it was a really big milestone for us at the time. Recognized so early on in our company's history. And follow along, we then released in the following years the TJ06. That was one of the first cases with the sort of upside down motherboard mounting, which really helped in providing fresh air to CPU cooling area. And then in 2005 and 2006 timeframe, we released right now, I guess in some enthusiast circle, they call this a very legendary case, the Tenjin TJ07. This is the very first computer case of any kind to construct it out of what we call unibody construction. So that means the top, front, and the bottom panel is one single piece of aluminum. So we actually did this before Apple was doing aluminum unibody with their computers. Okay, so moving along, there's the TJ08 and also this TJ08 Evolution. These are the only micro ATX cases that we have in our Tenjin lineup. So before all of this, we used to have only one line called the Tenjin series that signified that they're tower cases. As we got along over the years and released more tower case models, we found the need to actually expand the line. So we launched various different series after that. And we kept the Tenjin name as sort of a flagship series within the SilverStone range. So continue on after the TJ08, models like the TJ09, TJ10, TJ11, all became flagship tower cases in the SilverStone tower case model range. Okay, so let's go back a little bit to the top row here. Okay, so here we see the first Kublai series case, the KL01. The KL series was originally the second tower case model series that we released during 2007 after we sort of split up the Tenjin series line. So we have more different price levels and different usage models. So Kublai series at the time for us was supposed to be sort of a second tier compared to the Tenjin level, while the PS Precision series was to be our entry level models. So you can see here, there's the PS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and recently the PS07 and PS08 micro ATX cases with very, very good price to performance and value. And then just recently we launched Redline series, also another entry-level series that was originally intended for the Chinese market, but after we showed it a few trade shows, they received fairly good response, so we decided to release it to the rest of the world. And lastly, we have these two series. Here's the Raven and the Fortress. Okay. Here's the Fortress at T01 with the special painting from on our good friends in the USA. They do this really nice bluing. But this case originally comes in black or silver. So same thing with the later Fortress models. They come in black or silver models. The Fortress series is really also great for us because they let us retain some of the really high-end features that we love about the 10-pin series, a little bit more affordable models. And the Raven series was created in 2008 timeframe to sort of give us a different line that's very different from the more classic styling of the 10-pin series of the Fortress series. So right now we've evolved to RVO4 that we're going to release recently. So I hope you like what you guys see here.